way in the greatest human advancement of all time. He's unlike anything we've seen before. And he's entirely in our control.
What happened?
You got yourself killed. You have been given a second chance. I've developed an army of soldiers like yourself. Improved, enhanced.
Welcome to the circus.
The technology in your veins will heal you instantly. You are my weapon.
You made me, but you can't control me forever.
They'll come for you.
I'm looking forward to it.
Why is dream sex way better than real sex?
Because they come when you want them to.
Girl, that is so true. When I'm done, they done. Hello.
You ever think about all the stuff we've done and wonder how we did not die?
It's got her real hair. It's a cultural thing.
We are two badass queens like those bitches who raised Wonder Woman. We've worked our asses off. We've opened up our own store. We're winning.
We're $493,000 in debt.
What the?
Walk into the room.
Mel Page and Mia Carter.
I'm Clara Luna.
I am going to invest $1.7 million on you.
We would love $1 million.
But in my experience, business and friendship don't always mix.
You don't have to worry your pretty little head.
My head is not little. It's just that my breasts are humongous. If you want to be a businesswoman, you're going to have to act like a boss. You have to fire him.
What? Don't hate me, hate Mel. It was her idea. What? Listen to us trying to. Hey, witness my tragic moment.
Clara Luna is introducing a new product at her launch party.
She just wants to steal our ideas.
We gonna break this bitch's back.
Oh, yours are made of stone.
Baby, I own you.
Y'all don't get Clara Luna down here right now. I'm gonna jump.
She's crazy. She will jump.
Oh, I'm so glad I be planking. Come on. I'm sorry, white lady, if I die on you today. You gonna give us our company back.
Drop it, shake it, pop it. Lift it, drop it, shake it. It's going down for real.
I punched that bitch in the face.
I would marry you if I was in the coochie.
Ghost peppers. They are very spicy. Just a little sliver goes a long way.
Your peppers are really hot. It burns so bad it hurts.
Take some break. Don't soak it all up.
Oh, that's a lot of carbs.
Here you go, honey. It's goat's milk, so to coat the throat.
It's going down for real.
My life hasn't been what you probably think it has. We all have our struggles.
Have you ever been in love?
A long, long time ago. You?
So many times. Yeah, all the time.
Welcome to the future. Life is good, but it can be better. And why shouldn't it be? All you need is to want it. Think about finally having everything you always wanted.
I can save today, but you can save the world.
Steve.
Now, I take what I want in return.
Everyone will see.
The world needs you. You know know you need to do.
Nothing good is born from lies. And Gray, this is not what you think.
It's all art.
That's just a trash can.
It's just a trash can. Yeah.
They say, if you want to tell